The power's been out for days, the neighborhood watch is gone, and the police stopped responding. Your home is all you have, and if you want to make it through the night, it needs to stop being a house and start being a barrier. Start with the door. The screws holding it together are tiny. Swap them for long ones that reach the wall studs. Do the same for the hinges. Brace the handle with a chair or broomstick so the force pushes into the floor. Suddenly, the weakest part of your house becomes a problem for anyone trying to kick it in. Windows were never meant for safety. Tape them so the glass stays together when it breaks, then block them with heavy furniture. Keep curtains closed so no one can see inside. Sliding doors need a bar in the track and a pin in the frame so they can't be lifted. Lock down the garage by zip-tying the release and unplugging the opener. A car inside becomes a massive obstacle they can't quietly move. Then mess with their head. Big dog bowl outside, huge boots by the door, a radio playing voices, lights on timers, anything that suggests someone strong, awake, and ready. Make the outside loud and painful. Gravel under windows, thorny plants, anything that slows movement. And inside, have a fallback room ready with supplies and a reinforced door. You're not making the house perfect. You're making it annoying, slow, unpredictable, and loud. In a collapsing world, that's enough to make danger choose a different target.